Hi guys, this is Marcus here. This is my vlog on the TP-Link USB wireless adapter. I just got it from Amazon and I'm just putting it onto my laptop as my existing inbuilt wireless adapter has some problem. It's on and off, like suddenly the Wi-Fi goes off, I'm not able to connect back. So I just thought of rather than changing the internal part, just thought of getting the USB adapter, which was much more convenient to plug in and unplug and just good on the move. And that too, it's an external antenna Wi-Fi adapter, so I just thought of going for this. And now I'm currently unboxing the TP-Link, and I'll be also showing you the speeds which I get along with the TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter. For now, let me just fully open the Wi-Fi adapter and then just plug it in, and let's go ahead and install the Wi-Fi drivers for this program, and then we will see what will be done next. Quick installation guide, and I'll be showing you like the steps which is required in order to install this Wi-Fi adapter onto your computer. And the current thing which I'm showing you right now is for Mac operating system, and this is the way how you go ahead and install the drivers. I'm going to go ahead, turn on the laptop and plug in this USB wireless adapter and then go ahead with the installation. to do a speed test with the speed test application first in order to check what is the speed that I get with this wireless adapter. And I have 150 megabit per second